Let's try to imagine. Let's think about the last time we had a car ride, or about the last time we ate something. Well, doing these kind of actions has now become a natural fact that we do not even think about. And yet, building cars or commercial vehicles is an important activity which implies a great variety of production processes. And in order to stop this car or truck, have we ever wondered about how brake discs work and how they are made? Probably not. We've never thought about it. We take for granted that everything works perfectly. In assuring that everything works perfectly every day, our staff and personnel enter the company to study, produce, and check our brake discs and drums with competence and passion. Our foundry, a company producing brake discs and drums, is the result of many years of work history. We all remember having studied the Bronze Age at school. Man has learned how to melt metal with copper and tin through fire. And that's the way we still do it, of course, with much different tools. Raw materials are put in the furnace to be melted at 1500 degrees. Even the metal cans we use every day in our houses are among these raw materials. Our iron scrap comes from material that is not used anymore. All this material goes into the furnace. The furnace, in order to sustain the high temperature, is built of refractory material. We use sand to realize our molds in order to give the desired shape to the products we have to produce. So once everything is ready, the liquid metal is poured into the molds, filling its entire cavities, as it happened more than 5,000 years ago. The foundry has a lot of products made by aluminum, copper, steel, or cast iron, as in the story that we are telling you. But there is more. In order to produce the necessary energy, we also use foundry coke. All the released gases are caught and filtered in respect of the environment. Everything that is being used, such as water, sands, or metal, is always, where possible, reused. The casting, so are called the products of the foundry, in this case, gray iron casting, is cooled down, cleaned, and checked for conformity. These goods are then subject to X-ray inspection to avoid any defects. If everything is okay, we move into the next phase where the final shape is obtained by machining the surface, making the holes, and everything needed. In our case, once the part is ready, it can be fitted on a new vehicle, actions leading to a new product. So now we are ready for a new trip and a new adventure.